Did you know when you are watching movies and TV shows, there are just lots of pictures played quickly together?
That's right. This video, for example, plays 30 images every second very quickly to give the illusion of motion, just like a flipbook.
This kit helps us explain how all that works and will let us create our own little animated movies.
Stick around to see how it all works as we build and test the kit.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Evan.
And I'm Ryan.
Welcome to the Bonding Blueprint.
So today, we're building and testing the CrunchLabs Strobe Light Animator.
We'll show you what's inside the box, how the Strobe Light Animator makes pictures look like they move, a couple of quick tests, and our honest review so parents can decide if it's worth it.
Overall, how it works is super simple. A disc with images attached to it spins, and an LED light lights up each image. Your eyes then blend together the fast-moving pictures, and that's called persistence of vision. The Mark Rober video that comes with the kit covers all of that and how light passes through different objects like etched glass or water.
It's a very cool video. We'll put links in the comments so you can see the video for yourself. Let's get into it. Okay.
All right, unboxing time. What do we got? Am I doing all the talking today?
It's magical. The Strobe Light Animator. I said that wrong. The Strobe Light Animator. That's what it's called, I hope.
You got it right. Strobe Light Animator.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I get it. Even the show likes lights.
Got the book.
Cool. It got Fat Gus on it.
It's got Fat Gus.
Okay.
Got lots of things in this bag, huh?
Yeah, there's a lot in this.
And this bag and this kit has a ton of small O-rings.
Do not lose those.
Luckily, the table that I built has little pockets in them, so we use that to contain the small parts. But if you don't have something like that on your table, I would highly suggest maybe like a small cup or something to put them in. There are really a ton of O-rings on this one. All right.
I see you.
All right,
That would have not been good.
We'll get those in here so we don't lose them. Oh, don't lose your arm there.
It's your arm.
My arm?
Your arm.
I don't know how to frame. That's okay. All right.
New video unlocked.
Yep. So if you want to see the install video or the stem video, here actually let me take the little people out of there too so we don't lose the people. So this definitely has a lot of tiny pieces, so I would suggest a couple small little bowls or something to hold them. Oh, these little laser etch things are cool looking. So this is what goes in the Strobe Light Animator. So then each of them has a slightly different picture on them. All right,
okay.
Let's get going. Why don't you get the gear done?
Let's do this.
Get the gear on our CrunchLabs build box.
Yeah, but the thing is,
I'd say just
that.
Boom. So which one's this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is our 6th kit. And
We
this
still
one,
have like 7 more.
we have how many dots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we have 6 kits, but we also kept the subscription going for next year. They're building up. We got all of these kits, the first 12 we got a kit a week over the summer because they were offering a summer weekly kit, but normally you get a kit every month. So these videos will slow down once we get past those first 12. All right, and so eventually you get all 12 of these things. That'll be cool when that's all done.
And then I'll sign it.
Maybe. Or we can even, maybe we'll get a motor and we'll attach it to the side and then it'll all slowly spin by itself. All right.
Okay.
Now it's build time. So we got all the pieces.
Alrighty. Okay, so we first.
So you get your motor.
Yeah.
Oh, look what it is. Sticky pads.
I don't like these sticky pads. They're not very nice to me.
Gonna make sure everything lines up in the holes.
Oh, that is like perfect.
That is perfect. Very good job. All right, number 2, take the white piece off.
Ching ching. No, don't come off. This is my least favorite part.
I know, that's why I mentioned it. I know you hate the sticky pad peeling.
A few moments later.
It's gonna go.
No, don't stick to me.
Well, once you push it down on here, it'll all stick together. So yeah, it goes right on the top. Line it up good. Nice. Looks pretty lined up. Which one of these? I think you need the one with the off switch.
Yeah, on off.
So start with the tab in the middle. So you see this thing here, that goes around that. So look at the picture, right? See where the gap is? Just like a Lego instruction. There you go. Yeah. And then you gotta wrap it all the way around. Just make sure you don't force it onto each of those, because I think once you get around to this side, then we gotta. Your second favorite thing is O-rings. Pro tip, when parts fit together during assembly, it's called self-locating design. The tabs in the wood help locate the holes in the cardboard. You got it? Okay, so now, is it the clear ones? Oh, hold on.
Said clear.
You need the plastic.
Clear.
Where's the plastic sheet? So make sure that's on correctly.
Or I just fail.
Pinch one end with your fingers and then use, yep. Want help? Yeah.
Hush, little baby.
All right, next. So now you put the sticky pad on the LED light.
Oh, I think I failed.
What?
Those two aren't lined up.
That's fine. Oh, they'll line up. You just move them around a little bit until they do. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. That looks, oh, okay. Well, you skipped ahead, but that's okay. Go ahead and put the battery pack one on while you've got it out. We were getting ready to do the LED light, but that's okay.
It's fine.
Skipping ahead is fine.
Pull the pin.
Yep,
Here.
make sure on the battery pack you take out
Said pin.
You take out this little plastic sleeve, and that's what lets
So
the
now I
battery
need
work.
This. Yeah.
Yeah, so you get the LED, okay? So look at the side, look at the picture, and you see the little light, right? So that's what you want to put the sticker around. See that? So on an LED light, if you don't know, okay, these little things are just connectors, okay? This, see this little brick right here? That is where the light comes from when it's turned on. So you don't want to cover that up, you want the sticker to go just around it. Got it? Cool. Good stuff. Nice. All right, so now you want to put that.
I'm getting it.
Do, 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 do,
5 hours later.
All right, look how it lines up. So that light goes right over that little hole. You see that? So you want it to line up so that blue sticky goes right over that hole.
Blue sticky.
And it has to be accurate, otherwise the light won't shine through it. That's pretty good. Wow, that's interesting. New fist bump technique.
I'm electrocuting Sid, buddy.
Let's hope the battery pack's not that powerful. Now you gotta install the battery pack up against that back wall. Do you remember?
Do you remember?
Do you remember which one means what? Which one means on and which one means off? There's the straight line. And
Straight line means off. I mean on. And the circle means off.
Oops, you were guessing, but that's, yes, you guessed correctly. The straight line means on and the circle means off. Oh, so you see, it says,
Scared the heck out
it
of
says
me, dude.
on and off. So you've got to make sure that when you put it in there, it lines up just right to that hole.
5 hours later. I did it. He was my friend.
That would be easier. There you go.
Hallelujah.
Make sure to-
Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Oh, and I don't think we mentioned this in previous kits, but all the CrunchLab kits do come with their own batteries, so you don't need your own batteries either. So that's kind of nice. All right, so now you get the battery pack installed. Next page. All right, so wiring it up. So you need 3 jumpers.
Jump, jump, jumper.
Okay, So you get the red. All right, so first you start with the red. So from the battery pack, look at the instructions. Okay, so from the battery pack, the red line connects to the single on this side. So from the battery pack, you hook it up to the single one on that side. Then the other two go and hook up to the red. Always match up your colors, red to red, black to black. Good, and then do the same thing with the black one. So off the battery, you've got your single lead. Yep. Good.
We'll see what happens if you...
Nope, don't. Always hook up all your wires before you turn stuff on. You could short circuit something if it's not grounded properly or something like that. You almost never want to turn something on half wired up. There's a reason why it's all wired together. And then now you test. Ooh. So when you test and you turn it on, that light should turn on. Oh, that light should turn on and that will spin. Cool, successful test. All right, next step. So we tested. Did you put the straps in?
Huh? What happened?
You gotta do the straps to go.
Come on.
So do the under the LED light ones. So in one side and then out the other. Nice. So what we were doing is you put the strap in one side and you run it through the other side, and that helps hold, it helps snap your fingers, and it also helps hold the LED light in place. Almost. Oh, you get the pitchy finger again?
I got it. Oh, pinchy finger sucks.
All right. There you go. So that'll help hold the LED. So now you need the gears. So the rainbow gear, and the rainbow gear is what changes the color of the LED light, which is kind of
Guys,
cool.
comment down below if you like K-pop Demon Hunters. I just came
Seems like everybody likes K-pop Demon Hunters right now.
comment down below.
It's one of the most popular
Netflix movies.
Netflix movies.
It's the most trending.
It's the most trending, is it?
It's so weird.
There we go. See? And then the LED light shines through the rainbow thing, so it'll make it different colors depending on where you put that light. See? So if you put your finger over it, you see how it changes colors? Yeah, let's show the camera that, because that's kind of neat. I don't know if you can see it, but off my finger, if you do it slow, see, it changes the color of what shines through. Cool. Cool, cool. All right. Oh boy, here we go. Another O-ring. Why is it not going in? Don't force it. It shouldn't be that difficult. Do you have it in the right spot? Why don't you start with this end? Start with that end and put an O-ring on it. So, okay, you're trying to force it, right? Just sits in there a little bit. And then you wrap it all the way around the other side.
Cool.
Go nice and tight and keep holding the one last, and then work your way all the way around. Because it has to fit in there just right. There you go. Hold that one. Good. There you go. Yeah. And then work your way all the way around the outside. Once you tighten it down, it should be fine.
I'm cooking.
And then another O-ring for you. Oh, hold on. So before we do the O-ring,
Yeah, I was gonna say.
yeah, it actually
like,
has to attach to this thing first.
How am I gonna get this? Oh,
Yeah. Get
I
it?
did it.
Okay.
Cool.
All right. So, yeah, those go in here. So I'll hold the cardboard back here
Trying to.
because I know how much fun you have doing O-rings. Is it hard to do O-rings when somebody's trying to bite your elbow? All right, another one.
No.
Oh, you got both. Oh, okay. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Oh, guess what?
This thing goes in.
White straps first to get those secured. So your plastic cover. Oh, white. Okay, got it. I don't know if you need me to hold it for you.
Yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Got it? There you go.
I did it.
And that helps secure the
I
hatch
did it.
or the hinge. It really doesn't want to bend that one. Did you line it up just right? Perfecto. So on this, on the wheel, on the wheel, make sure that lines up with that. It should be exactly the same. Pro tip, an animation is a series of images in a specific order. Match the numbers on the acrylic to the numbers on the wood. All right, so now, So on each of the acrylic pieces, is a little number. There's a little number down there at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that matches up with the numbers. And then I think you use the black O-rings for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, these are gonna be harder. I need 2. Did it.
Okay. All right, so now that goes on there, and now you get to install the viewfinder. The other way. This piece here needs to go on the bottom.
You cannot tell me that.
All the slides go on the opposite side because this is meant to hold it above the gears and stuff. So you're gonna have to take all those off and put them back on. So when you're putting that together, make sure you put them on the correct side. So if you put it like this, it grinds on the gears and it's not in the right spot. This is a spacer that's meant to be here so the disc hovers above all of these things. Sorry.
Why would I flip all these around? Can't I just do that?
Yeah, we could maybe if it's not. Ooh, geez, that is on there pretty good. Hopefully that's still sticky. I might have to glue it back on if it's not sticky enough, but it should be fine. All right. Hopefully that works.
See?
There you go. So that closes up. It spins fast. Pretty cool, huh? Fat Gus is running. Oh yeah, if you're not familiar with Mark Rober's videos, he has in his backyard a bunch of squirrel friends that he sets up obstacle courses for, and the famous squirrel is called Fat Gus.
That's cool. He's cute.
So make sure you put the sticky pad on the yellow thing correctly. There you go. So you gotta get it on there all at the same time so it sticks up. Hey, look, more stickies to take off. While I'm building the people, if you want to take the disc out and undo all of those, and I'll keep building the person for you. And all right, now you can pose each one.
Let me cook.
So Evan's just going to quickly pose each of the figures, making them slightly different, and this is what it looks like. Okay, review time. I like that this kit mixes art and science. Plus, the included video gives kids insight into how film and movies and TV works.
The booklet was clear as always, and this pushes kids to create their own loops, not just to use the ones in this kit.
So we haven't talked much about age in our past videos, but I wanted to talk about how these kits are advertised for about 8 to 12 years old, and that feels about right. Evan's 9, almost 10, and younger kids could build the kits with apparent guidance, but I think they might struggle grasping the STEM concepts, which is a very valuable part of these kits and one of the reasons why we got the kits in the first place.
I love these kits. Not only do you get a cool build kit, but you also get the video lessons, so I feel like I'm learning and playing.
So if you want to watch the videos before buying the kits, I'll put links down in the description and also pinned in the comment section below. These videos aren't sponsored, just trying to make it easy for parents to find the right info.
Tell us what animations we should try next. Comment down below.
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next CrunchLabs build.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.